Hello.
Hello. Yes. Good evening. We will start in 10 minutes. Time is at 9 p.m. So we have to wait, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So just tell me how currently are you trading in any markets at this moment? Anyone who's trading in the markets? Yes. Yes. You want to ask something?
No.
No. Nilesh sir has raised the hand. So do you want to ask something, Mr. Nilesh sir? So since it's today is the first day, so and we will start on time. In the next 6 minutes we are going to start. But before that, if you want to ask something, you can ask. By the way, how many people are trading in the markets? How many people are trading in the markets? Do you all are trading in the market, or you are beginner, not trading in the market? What is your experience? Okay, so Mahesh sir says not now, but he have experience. That's great. That's great. Okay, beginner. Okay, okay, good. Okay, you are doing. Okay, okay, great. Okay, that's great. So today you are going to learn and understand, the basic, but it's very important. And generally, the beginners always want to, the understand the markets, which market to, trades, and when to buy, when to sell, something like that, right? So today we are going to learn where to buy, when to buy, and when to sell. Okay. When to buy and when to sell. That is most important things in the markets. When to buy and when to sell. So in just 4 minutes, we are going to start. In just 4 minutes, we are going to start. Okay. So thank you for so much for your patience. See, in the market, you need a patience. Without patience, nothing is happening. Right. By the way, just wanted to understand what is your expectation from today's sessions? Please reply me in the chat box. What is your expectations from today's sessions? What is your any new strategy? Okay. Any new strategies? All right. What about others? What about others? What is your expectations in from these sessions? What really you are looking for? What exactly you wanted to learn? To learn and start trading. Okay, very good. To learn and start trading. Definitely, without learning, trade is very dangerous. So we will learn first and then we'll trade. So in the next 2 minutes, we are going to start because according to the time, I know there are people from different countries. They attending the sessions, but since we stay in Dubai, so the many people get time the like 9 p.m. So we need to start trading based on their availability. All right. So in a GCC, maybe it's in a Dubai 9. So the Saudi Arabia's there are 8 p.m. now. Okay. So now we are going to start in a 1 minute. I'm going to start our today's sessions. One second. Okay. So let's start our sessions. First of all, thank you so much to come here and attending the sessions. There are a number of people actually wanted to learn, wanted to earn money, but because of the the knowledge, they are not able to trade in any markets. Okay. So just wanted to understand how many people are trading in the markets. What is your experience? Please reply me in the chat box. What experience you have? Do you have a past experience or you are completely new? Reply me in the chat box if you have any experience, past experience. If you have a past experience, reply in the chat box. If you are not having any experience, that's also fine. All right, so thank you so much and welcome back to the DIGLOK Trainers. And today we are going to understand what is the market, which market is suitable for you according to your countries, when to buy and when to sell, right? When to buy and when to sell. So I'll brief you about myself. My name is Digambar Lokhande. I started my journey in 2000. So between 2000 and 2005, I was doing arbitrage. I was doing hedging. From 2005 to 2008, I started learning about the insurance. From the 2008 to 2012, I started learning about the mutual funds, how the mutual funds, run. What are those people, who run the markets? So the mutual fund and the insurance, those people are institutional people. So somewhere when we talk about the forex market or the crypto markets, we always say that institutional buyer are there, then ICTs and all. These are the few strategies. So who are those people? So those people are institutions, okay, and the institutions like the corporates, the banks, insurance, and the mutual fund. So how people actually makes money by investing in the mutual funds? How they are doing? So I tried to learn between 2008 and 2012. After that, from 2012 to 2018, I started learning about the brokings. So in the brokings, I directly connected with the clients. So the number of times when I connect with the clients, so I keep asking them then whether you are making money, whether you are making loss. So the 90% people are always says only one things that they are not able to make money. So my friends, from you can see the before 2018, there was no such kind of the training systems or there was no the big awareness about the markets. After the 2020, everything now we know in a fraction of seconds, but the earlier it was not that. So my friends, when I understand the pain of the people, pain of the traders, they need a money, they need educations, because knowledge is the power. If you don't have a knowledge, then definitely in anywhere you are not going to be succeed. So from 2018 to till now, we are giving educations to all over the world. So benefits of the trading. So number of people are there. Sorry. Number of people not understand exactly what's the markets. Number of people don't understand how they are making money in the stock markets or the forex market, or which market is the suitable for them according to their the countries. And if I talk about the benefits, the markets or the trading can be your second income source. The trading can be your second income source. If you already have someone's, another source, like maybe you are doing a job, maybe you have a business. Okay. Can you tell me just what is your professions? What you do? Please reply in the chat box. Please reply in the chat box what you do. What is your professions? So the benefit of the trading is it can be a second income source. A person who wanted to generate income only and only doing the tradings. So this is the best trading career also. It can be the best trading career. Apart from this, number of people trade for their living. So this can be an active income. You can create wealth by investing in the stocks or the stocks or any instruments where you will get the long-term benefits. So by doing this, you can create the wealth also. So my friends, the creating wealth. So what is the meaning of wealth? So the wealth mean if you are investing $1 today, and if that $1 become $100, $200, $500, that's called a wealth. The 100 becomes 200. It's not a wealth. Okay. So who can trade in the market? So those people, those individuals, 18 plus and having a documents, those people who wanted to, create the freedoms. I just wanted to understand what is or what you want to be and why you are here today. Are you here today to generate a second income source or trading career? What is your goal? Please reply me in the chat box so I will understand exactly what's your goal and what you are taking this second income source. Very good. So Rajiv G is here to do the to generate a second income source. We shall also here to generate a second income source. Rajesh also wanted to do the second income source, mean extra income. So all are you here to generate a second income source, which is very good. Which is very good. Okay, trying to become a full-time trader. Mahesh, very good. Trying to become a full-time trader. That's great. That's great. Okay. Now, whether you are a learner, whether you are a first timer, or whether you know something about the markets, today's session is for you. In next 1 hour, I'm going to teach you one strategy. Based on that one strategy, you will able to understand, you will able to learn when to buy and when to sell. You will able to learn in next 1 hour period of times, you will able to learn when to buy and when to sell. How many people are really, thinking that it can happen today? How many people think that yes, I can learn today where to buy, where to sell? How many people believe this? Do you think that it's possible in the next 1 hour? Do you think that it's possible? Okay, very good. Yes, I believe. Okay. All right, so thank you so much. Now we'll go ahead and understand the trading opportunities. Trading opportunities. See, you have a number of markets available for tradings like Indian markets, US markets, crypto markets, and commodity markets. So wherever you are and which market you choose, it's up to you, and this will work all the markets. This will work all the markets. So how many people are, just tell me which country you are from at present, which country you are. Reply me in the chat box. UAE. All right. So meanwhile, I'll just brief you, my friends. If you are thinking to trade in Indian markets, okay, that's also possible. If you think wanted to trade in the US markets, that's also possible. Crypto and the all other commodities markets. So the most probably people actually trade in the commodity markets, you know, commodity markets, and most of people trading in Indian markets. Okay. All right. So whether you are interested to trade in Indian markets, the forex market, crypto markets, today you will learn. Today you will learn one technique. Today you are going to learn one technique, and based on that techniques, you can trade. Okay. And whether you are new or you are experienced, no need to worry. You will learn today. Okay. If you don't believe, I have a faith on me that I can teach you. I can teach you one strategy. Based on that strategies, you can trade. So let me talk about the Indian markets. So Indian market is having $3.5 trillion turnover every day. It's a huge, it's a big market we have. Apart from this, if you talk about the commodity market, the forex market, it has $7.5 billion industries. So crypto is not that much, but crypto generally we have a lot of coins like BTC, ETH, the BNB and all. These are the main, the points. These are the coins where people are trading, right? So you can invest as low as the whatever amount you have, you can start invest. This market is not like you should have a very big money, you should have a lot of in a skill. It's not like that. The market is very simple. Anyone can trade in the markets, anyone can understand. It's very simple. Only thing is we are not able to learn. Once you start learning, everything will be the simple and everything will be profitable. So these are the legendary people. The George Soros. These are the legendary people. They have created the history, and they started. It's not the big amount, but they created the history. Why? What was in their minds? So exactly, each and every traders who trades like Richard Dennis, like Warren Buffett, all have one thing which is similar, and that is a patience. If you have a patience in not in only markets, if you talk about the personal life also, if you have a patience in the personal life as well as this markets, the chances of success is very high. Patience pays you more, right? So here it is, today we are going to learn from the basics, from the basics till the strategy. So this is the something called the candlesticks. How many people are aware about this candles? Reply me in the chat box. How many people are aware about this candle? So this candle, green candle is showing you the market is going up compared to the previous candle. One candle having four prices, a single candle having four prices, and that four prices open, high, low, close. So what the meaning of open, high, low, close? So the open, it means a candle, when the candle opens, the first trade start, that's called open price. And during the market hour, the high, a top price is the high price. And during the market hour, If the candle goes a low, a bottom, that's called a low price. It's a printed. And when the candle close, that's called a closing price. So these are the very simple terms, the four prices you should know, because in the entire your journey, the trading journey, you need to understand open, high, low, close. When what was the market and what is the market now? What was the high? What was the low? Because everything is based on the psychology, everything based on the levels. So the level mean there are certain people, they have created the mind, they have created the levels, that the X level they will buy, Y level they will sell. And everything is in the market, everything is pre-decided. There is nothing like it's happened now, okay, and market's gone up or down. No, it's not like that. Every single move have some story behind this. According to the Charles Henry Dow having six principles. And the first principle is saying everything is discounted. Everything is discounted except act of God. So what is meaning this? It means whatever market is going up or down, it's already discounted. It's already planned. Okay, it's already planned. So you need to understand. Now, how you will understand? So there are two things where you can understand. One, if you are a very big trader and you have some connections with the big people, those people who are buying or selling, it's called insider tradings. Then, otherwise, the second one is you should know about the technical analysis. There are two strategies or two, the technical analysis and the fundamental. There are two educations in the markets. Technical analysis is very simple and it's a quick, but the fundamental analysis is a little bit, you will take a longer time to understand the fundamentals, reading balance sheets, going to meet the CEOs, companies, people. Okay, it's very headache things. But the technical analysis, like very simple. So there are two things or two candles. One is a blue, and second is a red. Or it can be a green candle, or it can be a black candle, also white candle also. Okay, that color. When you see the green candle and the red candle, it is a very simple to identify the market's moves. When there is a continuously is a green candle or the blue candle, it means market is going up, up, up. And when it is the black candles or the red candles, mean market is going down. Simple way. I will show you how to identify the market trend. Right? Trend is your friend. Trend is your friends until it's bent. So main thing is whether market is going up or down, how you will understand. So simple way, I'm going to show you a live chart where you will able to understand market going up or down. Before going this, these are the the candles and the trend. So the trend mean whether market is going up or down. So here it is. Market started going up, 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 up. See, it's going up, 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 right? Slightly falling down. Again, market is going up. Slightly falling down. Again, market is going up. See, my friend, understand this trend. Okay, because this is the important, the sessions and important talk if you don't understand the markets, you will not able to make money. The people fail because they don't know the market trends. So let me talk you. This is something called a lower lows. This is something called a higher highs. This is higher lows. Now, what is the meaning of that lower lows and the higher lows? It's simple. My friends, this low and this low, you know, this higher low is because of this has not crossed the previous low. That's the reason it's a higher lows. Higher high, it means this high price is gone above the previous high. This is called, this is the previous high and this is the current high. So it's a higher highs. So when the market is going up, up, up and up, so it's called a bullish trend or uptrend. So when you find all the people are, the buying, right? Trend is up. That time you have to buy. Number of people says buy low, sell high. How you will identify? So whether it is a low or high, because markets is unlimited. There are no limitations. High mean what's the price high? It can go $100, 200, 500, thousands also. There is nothing called, the higher and lower. If you able to identify these kind of trains, these kind of techniques, then only you will able to understand what is the meaning of lower lows, higher lows, and whether market is going up or down. Now, simple way, you might see this is the a one line you can draw in any markets. You can draw this line any markets and understand a market trends. Okay. So the minimum, how you can do this? A minimum 2 point required. Minimum 2 point required. So let me show you a live chart. How many people are interested to watch this on a live chart? Reply me in the chat box. So I will make you understand a live chart. How many people are interested to see a live chart? Okay, great. 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 By the way, are you really enjoying these sessions? Are you really enjoying this session? Reply me yes, no, yes, no. You are really enjoying these sessions? Yes, no? Great. Great. See, what I said is when this started, I said today you are going to learn where to buy and where to sell. Okay. So try to understand this because this session is only for you. Now let me see. This is the gold chart. Tell me, is this uptrend or downtrend on this? Is this uptrend or downtrend? Wow. Wow. So everyone knows it's uptrend. It's uptrend, right? In this, on a 1 hour time frame, it's uptrend. Do you think the market is very difficult? Market is very difficult. Do you think the market is very difficult? How many people think that market is very difficult? Reply me in the chat box. It's very simple. Even you are a learner, you don't know about the stock market as still, if you understand the market well, market is very simple. Let me draw this. Just go through the this is the trend lines. Okay, click here and just plot this. Check it out. That's it. Market is up, trend is up, right? And according to this point number one, high, then here it is low, again it's gone up, again it's gone down, again it's up, and it's a down now. Okay. Okay. Now I will do the mark here. 1, 2, 3, 4, there's a 4, then 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Now just wanted to ask one questions, where you will buy, on which mark you will buy. Reply me in the chat box. Buy point. Yeah, when to enter and the when to exit, I'm going to teach you. No need to worry about. Okay. In this case, just tell me, where is the buying points? Buying points. Buying points. Please give me the buying points. 1, 3, 5, 7. So what's the confusion now? You tell me. And see, just wanted to tell you, you can ask me in between also, you can ask me the question. So no need to worry. And don't think that we will disturb. No. I'm here to make your all doubt clear. So whatever doubt you have, and any times you can ask me. Okay. So this will be the, the more and more, the learning programs, and interactive programs. So now here it is, the 3, 5, 7, the 1. You can see it's the buying points. So what's the problem? Draw this kind of line and buy. Now you will say, sir, you already shown, which already happened. It's happened. It's a past history I have shown. No problem. But here it is. Here it is the future. Right? This point is a buying points and your target will be here. It will go up to 8. Don't you think? Don't you think? How many people says this is difficult to identify or draw? Reply me in the chat box. How many people says it's difficult to draw this? Reply me. It's a difficult? Okay, fine. So can you speak, if you don't mind, can you speak where you find the difficulty? Where you find the difficulty? If you find the difficulty, please let me know. I will make it very easy for you. Okay, so you will learn, you will understand. See, sir, simple. Just catch the 2 points. The train line requires minimum 2 points. So I catch here and here. If the markets start going down from here, okay, that's the tricky and difficult to identify. After this lower, it will go up or down. Yeah. So nice question. How to draw the trend lines? Okay, that also I'll make you understand. Now, when you say that it's a tricky things, so whether it will go up or down, so sir, when you are trading based on some techniques, now this is the trends. Okay. So whatever past happened, okay, see the technical analysis is like, whatever past happened, assume it will happen in future also. Chart is showing a past history. Based on that past history, we have to understand and assume that it will happen in a future also. So each and every traders, those people who understand the market, each and every traders trade based on the probability. There is no guarantee in any markets. No guarantee. Everyone is trading based on the probability and they are making money. Money is making based on the probability only. Understand? So these are the simple trick you can understand whether market is going up or down. So how to draw the trend line? So simple, you need to have a 2 points minimum. So here it is, I drawn these points and later on this. So at current, you can see market is a trend is up. So there is a probability when the trend is up. So probability is there that markets will go up. When the trend go down or it start going opposite directions, then only markets react negative. But here it is, there is no negative. The reason is until and unless I'll make you the bigger for you. Until and unless the candle is not crossing below this line, you can consider this, the trend is up. Okay. How many people understood this? Reply me in the chat box. How many people understood this? Reply me in the chat box. If you not understood, no need to worry. I'll repeat it for you. I will repeat it for you. Just tell me how many people understood this. All right. Rajesh sir, please tell me what you have not understood. You speak to me. I'll make you understand how it works. Speak to me so I can.
Next step is going. Trend is going up or down. How to know about that? Seven
Yeah.
to eight going or not?
7 to.
7 to 8 is going. This one.
Yeah. So there is a probability that this will go up to here. It's from the 7 to 8. Something like here. So the way it has behaved past, it will behave in a future also. So it's a probability game. The game is a probability. So there is a probability that markets will go up. Okay. If it is a break below this, mean this line, what I have drawn here, if it is break below this, the market's behavior will be the change and it will go downside. Okay. So this is the way actually the professional people predict the further move. It's a trend. It's a trend. Okay. So how to identify trend? I have shown you. Let's go, let's go and understand one strategy, which is very simple strategy, very simple strategy. This strategy is created only and only for you. Okay. Only for you. By the way, so there are two trends. One is uptrends. Okay. One is uptrends. And the second is a downtrend. All right. One is a uptrend. Second is a downtrend. So the downtrend, it means all the people are selling. That's called a downtrend. And in down trade, how people lose money, and then most of people lose money. Why? When the trend is down, you should not buy. When trend is down, you should not buy. If you buy when the trend is down, you don't know what level it will come down. So you lose money. There are a number of people who do the opposite always. When they buy, when they buy at overbought zone. It means they buy high, when the market is very high. And of course, when the market goes up, it has to go down, right? Because when you do the marathon, okay, I'll give the one example, on the marathon, when you start, running, so somewhere after a few kilometers, you have to walk. You cannot run all the times. You have to walk. So at the same time, when the market is going up, there are some people who will book the profit for the few days or few months or few minutes. Market will fall down. Again, it will start, to go up. Again, it will go down a little bit. Again, it will start. So the right time is to buy here. Number of people, what they do, they buy here, and they buy here. Market goes down. They sell it out because of the market gone down, and after they sell, market again go up. So these are the terms called the overbought zone and the oversold zone. So people don't understand that zone. They understand only feeling. They trade based on the emotions. They trade what their heart says, but they don't calculate why market is going up and why market is going down. Is there any logic behind this? They don't understand. Any trader, if you trade based on the logic, any logic which you have, and everything will work. Understand, in this market, everything works. There is nothing called a rocket science in the markets. I have spent my 25 years. Nothing. There is nothing called a rocket science, I'm telling you. Everything is work. Only thing, you are not working according to the strategy, according to rules which you have created. You are the person who break the rules. How many people believe this is a true? Do you think it's a true what I'm talking about? Reply me in the chat box. Do you think it's a true that everybody is breaking the rules? Nobody follow the rules. The person who follow the rules, they never make a loss. The person who break the rules, everybody make the losses. Now, just reply me whether true or false. What I said, it's a true. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Right? Now, today, the strategy for you. This is the one strategy I have created for you. It's very simple. It's very simple, I'm telling you. And everyone will understand this. Everyone. Okay. This is something called, when the market is going up, the market is going down. 3 red candle. Understand? 3 red candle. After this 3 red candle, if you find T, this is the T letter, this is the T letter. It's been a dragonfly doji. This name is a dragonfly doji. And this candles is invented by Munehisa Honma, a Japanese rice merchant. The Munehisa Honma was the Japanese rice merchant. He invented this candle, these candles, all the candles. Okay. So I would like to say, please say the thanks to the Munehisa Honma who invented these kind of patterns, candles, and because of that, we are able to make some. Okay. So Three candle red. Now exactly what I mean to say and why I say the three candle red. So it means market is going down. When the market goes down, now maybe since you are a new, so you will not able to understand whether how how much market is going down, or you will not able to calculate. So that's the reason, in a simple way, three candle red. So the candle red mean market down. When you find the three candle red, and after that, if you find a dragonfly doji, 80% probability is there the markets will go up. 80% probability the markets will go up. How many people, how many people understood this? Reply me in the chat box. So after this, I will show you on a live mode, I will show you. But before going ahead, how many people understood this? Is it easy or difficult? Is it easy or difficult? Reply me. Do you think it's easy or difficult? It's easy? Yes. Easily you will make money. Easily you will make money. Right? You don't need any complex strategies. People are, always loser. Just wanted to make you understand, if because of you are a new. So the loser, all right, loser in the market always try to find something new. Loser always try to find new and new, and they will never find the new. Okay, they will never find a new. Let me show. Understand, but what to do when we see it? Okay, because market goes up after the T sign. Okay, so I'll make you understand. No need to worry, my friend. Today I'm here to prove you, right? To prove you the strategy which I have chosen for you. Now I have chosen this strategy because it is a very simple. You can easily understand, and you can easily get the benefit of this. Okay, so you tell me on which stocks or which instruments I need to prove. Just tell me the instrument's name and I will tell you the result. Tell me any instrument's name and I will tell you the results. Gold or crypto. Okay, no problem. So you tell me the name and I will show you the results. So no need to worry about it. Yes, gold. So number of people says gold. So I will show you this strategy on a gold. Okay. 80% probability is there that markets will go up. 80% probability. So let me show you how this happens. Okay. So along with me, you also can find the trades. Okay. So what is our task is minimum 3 candle red. Okay, and you can find this on any time frames. Understand, you can find this on any time frame. So no need to worry that it should be the daily or 5 minutes or 3 minutes, any time frames. Only thing is, when you find this on smaller time frames, your risk reward will be the small. When you find this on bigger time frames, your risk reward will be the big. So let me show you on come on. This is the gold. This is the gold. This is the gold. Let me show you the opportunity. 1, 2, 3. And the 4. 4 is a dragonfly doji. Check it out. The 4 is a dragonfly doji. After this, just tell me, after this, Market's gone up or no? Reply me in the chat box. After the 3 candle rate, market's gone up or no? Please reply me in the chat box. Do you think the market's gone up? Yes? Okay. So after this, market's gone up. But it's like a hammer candle. Sir, I said when the markets go down, okay, whether it is a hammer, doji, okay, understand the structure. These are the structure. Okay, I will not speak the language of the the SMC and others. Okay, I'll make you understand in a simple way. Whether you talk a call a hammer, okay, or doji, whether or reversal, you know, the effect will be the same. Okay, and this is the T. How many people see this look like a T? Reply me in the chat box. How many people see is this T? Yes? Will you able to find this kind of the structure? Reply me. Will you able to find this kind of structure? How many people will able to find easy this kind of structure? So my friend, your work is done now. It means as and when you find the T, a next candle, you can purchase this. There is a probability the market will go up, and front of you, you can see. Okay. If you want, I can show same things in other instruments as well. So please name the instruments and I will show for you. Please name the instruments on which stocks I will. Silver. Okay, silver, somebody nifty. Okay, very good. So let me show you a silver. Okay. So the silver. This is the silver. So let me show you on a silver. And you also can help me, okay? You also can help me to identify, because I'm going to give you a homework also on this. My friends, I'm going to give you the homework. This is the silver. Do you think this is the silver? Now here it is. This is a, I seen it's a plus sign. Okay, so this is not a property. Okay, so I will not show you this. It's not a property, it's a plus sign. Okay, so let me show. You also can find this easily. Okay, yeah, only thing is the frequency, or you will not find this every day, everywhere. Okay, you have to wait for the formations. You have to wait for the formations. Yeah, a perfect T. Here it is, 3 candle red and then T, and market's gone up. Yes or no? Rajiv, please tell me, after this T, market's gone up or no? Reply me in the chat box. Whether market's gone up or no? Reply me in the chat box. Yes? Yes? Are you happy? Are you happy? Tell me. This is the market actually. My friends, I'm just telling you, I have spent a lot of years in this. Okay, people actually struggling to make profit. People actually, the struggling to identify the right opportunity for the buying and the selling. See, the right opportunity is front of you. You are the person who will make success in the markets. The only thing is you need to understand your own, who you are, whether you are a greedy, whether you fear person. Understand this and trade based on the strategy. Guarantee, I'm telling you, you will succeed if you adhere the and if you follow all the rules. 1 hour time frame only we can see this? No, you can find this any time frames. So as you requested for the Nifty, I'll show the Nifty also. It will works opposite. I'll give the opposite also. Okay, so no need to worry. Let me show you a 15 minutes time frame and the Nifty one. Okay. Yes. So my friend, this is the 15 minutes time frame, right? Will you buy here? Reply me in the chat box. Will you buy here? Will you buy here? Yes or no? No? Why? Minimum 3 required. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minimum 3 required. There are 4, 5, 6. Why you will not buy here? After this market's gone up. Okay. If it is not gone much higher, see, this is the beauty of the strategy. Every strategy, every time will not give you the result. Okay. And much higher because we are looking on a 15 minutes time frame. So from this 28,000, 23,837, 23,887. So at least 50 points. High, if you talk about the high, so it's a 50 points. 50 points means huge. 50 points for the Nifty is a huge. Okay. You told only 3, not minimum or, yeah, okay. So the minimum 3. If it is a more, then very good. Okay. If it is a more, then very good. But the minimum should be 3. See, actually, the meaning of the 3 is, market is going down. Market should go down. Market should go down. So that's but the many people will say, how we will know the market will stop here only? So there is no measurement. So that's the reason 3 candles. So you will understand market is going down. Okay. So if you think, now here it is also, this is also T, 3 candle red, 3, and the market's gone up. Now, a main thing is when you buy something, okay, exit points, okay, exit point, there should be the exit points. Now, suppose if you are trading based on the 15 minutes and on a Nifty, okay, so maybe 10, 15 points enough for the 10, 15 minutes. Yes or no? Reply me in the chat box. 10, 15 points is enough for a 10 to 15 minutes. And you just find it out. We are learning here. Okay, so we are learning here. So you find it out on a 15 minutes time frame. If you find this kind of structure, and after this, you will see the markets will go at least 10 points up. So let me calculate from the 23,982. So 24,018, it's a 20 points. But I'm talking about only 10 points. Okay. So this is also best way, the best way to identify. And yes, so every time the markets will not reward you based on the strategy. Okay, maybe here you purchased, okay, and fail. Okay, so there are some failures also, but the 80% of times you will make money. You choose any strategy, the 80% of times you will make money, 20% you will lose money. The tools are not that much, important. The important is your money management and your trading psychology. If you have a good money management, if you have a perfect psychology, you will never go out of the markets. See, the trend is like, the people come to the markets, and they stay only 2 to 3 months. In less than 2 to 3 months, they lose entire money, entire capitals, and they go. How many people experience this? That when we come into the market without knowledge, or you came into the market without knowledge, in a less than 3 months, you lost your entire capitals. How many people experience this? Reply me in the chat box. How many people experience? Do you think is it true? True? Yes. So my friends, we always tells people that trade based on the strategy. Trade based on the strategy. Make your blueprint before you trades. Make your blueprint before you trades. And see the magic. All you see, everyone, you all are here to start your second income source and not a first one. At least, when you start this, assuming that you will generate a second income source. So don't waste your all the time on this second income source. You tell me, what do you think? How much hours you need to spend to make profits consistently in the markets? Tell me. How much time, according to you, how much time you are thinking that I should spend, you should spend in the markets to make money? Reply me in the chat box. According to you, how much time you think that there should be in the markets? 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, at least 1 to 2 hours. Okay. Now, you don't have 1 to 2 hours? Tell me, in an entire 24 hours, will you able to spend 1 or 2 hours? Yes or no? Will you able to spend 1 or 2 hours? That's it. In that 1 or 2 hour, if you find any opportunity based on your strategy, then you trade. If you don't find any opportunity, don't trade. What's the lose? If you do the 10 times trading, out of that 10 times tradings, I'm telling you, if you do this, out of that 10, suppose 5 times you lost or 7 times you lost. Understand this. Suppose you have a strategy and you lost 7 times out of 10. Will you able to make money? Reply me in the chat box. Do you think you will make money when you lose 7 times out of the 10? Will you able to make money if you lose 7 times out of 10? If you lose 7 times out of 10, will you able to make money? No. Okay. How many people say no? Reply me in the chat box. How many people says no? Yeah. So I'll make you understand right away. Okay. Anybody? Rajiv, you can talk to me, right? And we will do the calculations and see how it works. Whether you are making money or not. Come.
It will be loss.
Okay. So, sir, I just wanted to tell you, you are a trader. Okay. You are a trader. You have decided if you lose, you will lose $1. And if you gain, you will gain a $3. This is your strategy. Okay. Rajiv?
Yeah.
Right. So now you traded first. The first trade lost. So you lost $1. Second trade also lost. You lost $2. Third also lost. So let me. Third also lost. 4 lost. 5 lost. 6 lost. 7 times you lost.
Okay.
Now what happened? Eighth of your trades. Okay, eighth of your trades succeed. It has given a $3. Ninth given a $3. 10th given a $3. Now you tell me the calculations. How much you lost?
7,
How much you gain?
9.
Are you making money in this?
Yeah. 2.
Okay. So if you have a right risk reward ratio, sir, you makes money.
Okay.
If you have a right risk reward ratio, definitely you makes money in spite of having a 70% failed strategy.
Okay.
Still you makes money.
I have a doubt on this one. We showed regarding the like 1357. We made the chart, the line.
Okay.
So in that one, how can we fix like TP and SL? How can we calculate?
That I will definitely tell you. See, the techniques which I have shown you, it's just for entry.
Okay.
Okay. Now, how and where you will exit. So now I will make you understand. Suppose you are trading on a gold. Okay.
Okay.
So assume you are applying this strategy on a gold and 15 minutes time frame. Okay, gold and a 15 minutes time frame. Assume you decided if you find the opportunities like this, so you will make a $20 profit or $20 loss. Okay, you have decided.
Okay.
So assume now 1, 2, 3. So maybe you will not buy here because again it's a red candle, but you will buy here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have decided after buying this, you will make $20. So the next it's gone 62. So it's not, but after this market's gone up, you achieved your goal, $20. From the 60 to 80, you achieved your goal. So this way, you have to craft your strategy, sir.
Okay.
Okay. And this will work on any markets, but this will not work only 20 points. Okay. The 20 points I have told you based on the previous history. Okay. So
Okay.
you have to check which instruments is you are talking about, so if you talk about if you talk about the Bitcoin, so definitely you are not going to work for the $20. Okay, it has to be at least $300 somewhere, right?
Yeah.
So this way you need to understand first the movement of the stocks and then you can decide this. Okay, so I hope you understood this, sir.
Yeah, almost. The same thing again, if I'm doing in the gold or silver, the metal, like the 20, as you mentioned, is an example, or we have to craft ourselves like I need.
Only gold, I mentioned only gold. Okay.
Okay,
And that
okay,
is also 15 minutes. If you
okay,
see on a 1 hour time frame, I will say minimum $50. If you
okay,
see on a 2 hour 2 hours, then I will say minimum $100.
okay,
So the time frame matters, sir.
okay,
Even if you say the 5 minutes, so I will say only $2 to $3 or $5 go out.
okay.
Okay.
$5 either positive or negative.
Positive
Means
or
if you
negative.
okay, okay.
When you are watching on a $5, I mean 5 minutes
5 minutes.
time frame.
Okay,
Yeah. So see, the time frame matters, and time frame will give you the risk and the rewards.
okay,
Understand that this will work on all the time frame, but
okay.
only thing is you need to understand the exit.
Yeah.
Anyone can do the entry, but the exit with the profit is very important.
Mm. Yeah.
All right. Do you have
Yes,
any
sir.
questions, queries on this?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So Vishal sir, you can ask the queries. What do you have?
Digambarji,
Yes.
thing is that you said that dragonfly, right, Doji?
Yeah.
Uh, it's red or it's green, doesn't matter, right?
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Okay, got it.
It has
Thank you.
to be, see that actually that dragonfly doji is a reversal pattern. Okay, and how it happens, I'll make you understand. So let me talk because there should not be any half knowledge. I don't want. I should give you any half knowledge. Okay, so let me give you the entire picture of this T. How this form. Okay, so how this form. So the first, when the market opens, assume the market open at a 100 level. Okay. So when the markets opens, the bear people or those people who wanted to sell, the force is a supply. So they keep selling and the markets goes down. So suppose it's fallen to the 80. Again, once the 80 comes, mood changed. A same people or this bull people start entering in this. So the slowly from the 80 to 90, then 95, then 100, somewhere they come here. And at the end of the candle, right? End of the candles, they leave this candle around 100 or one point here and there or 2 points somewhere. So you can assume that at this moment the the stocks is in a hand of the bull markets or the bull people. So there are a probability that next candle will go up or next candle will become a red. So this is actually concept. This is actually logic behind the forming of the dragonfly doji. Got it, sir? Okay. Now, at the same time, we can understand another doji called a gravestone doji. Okay. We can understand the a gravestone doji. So what is the meaning of the gravestone doji? So gravestone doji, it's opposites. Okay, gravestone doji is opposites. Then how you will make money? How you will make money? See, in these markets, you can make money when the market is going up and when the market is going down. Okay, you have a choice, to trades. Number of people will not understand how will make money when the market is going down. Okay, so you will make money when the market is going down, and you will make a fast money. Understand? You will make a fast money compared to the people makes money in a if the markets goes up. But here it is, you will make a fast money compared to the bull markets. How? Assume you are a technical analyst or you have knowledge a little bit. And according to the structure, or according to the markets, you are looking on the chart and you say there is a probability the markets will go down. Okay, so when you see the market is going down, what you will do? You will do the trades. So which kind of trades you will do? First, here you will sell. You sell. And then when the markets fall down, you will buy. Got it? I'll make you understand. Suppose the ABC company current market price is 120. Okay? Current market price is 120. And you expect it will fall down. So what you will do is you will make a sale positions. You will sell it. Right? You will open a sale positions. And when the markets goes down, when it will becomes 100 levels, then you will buy. So now you tell me, what is the difference you makes in this? Reply me in the chat box. How much money you will make in this? 25? Yes. Yes. This way you will make money when the market is going down. But how you will identify the market is going down? A simple way. 3 candle green. Okay. Find the 3 candle green and the inverse T, what we have learned. Now inverse T, when you see this kind of inverse T, it means it's a gravestone doji. It's a gravestone doji. The next, the market will go down. Next, the market will go down. You want to see the real chart? What about the time frame? Same. No worry at all. Time frame, all the time frame it will work. Okay. You want to see all those? Yes? Okay, great. So I will show you a live, right? I will show you a live. Let me show you. Tell me your script. Tell me your script and I will show you on this. Tell me your script. Tell me your script. Which script you want me to show this? I will do this. Tell me your script. Gold. We want to understand time frame. Yeah. So, sir, time frame. Okay. Time frame. What is the meaning of time frame you want to understand, or you want to understand which time frame is suitable? Okay. So you can talk to me. That's no problems. We can discuss. So let me show you on a gold. Okay. So this is the gold. Here it is, and I'll show you on a gold. So inverse, right? We are here to trade the inverse. Let me show you. Inverse T. Okay, come on. Minimum 3 candle green, and then you will find this inverse T. Markets go down. Okay. Another and this kind of the structure you will find on the top. When the market is at top, it's trading in the top. There are a number of times, you will find this on a top only. Inverse-T. Now I'm looking this on 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So the same we can see on a 5 minutes time frame, the 10 minutes time frames, 1 hour time frame as well. Okay. So let me show you on a 5 minutes time frame. Minimum 3 candle minimum has to be there. See, you can consider this as a dragonfly doji. After this market's gone up, before that 3 candle or 4 candle is a green candle. Okay, 4 candle is a green candle. Let me show you another example. So you will find this in a gravestone doji as well as dragonfly doji also, and you can trade. You can trade. Now here it is also. After this market's gone down. Yes or no? Yes or no? After this gravestone doji, markets gone down. Yes or no? Reply me in the chat box. These are the simple strategy which I have, created for you. Assuming that you all are new, assuming that you don't know anything about the markets, just wanted to understand from your side. Have you understood where to buy and where to sell? Reply me this. Have you understood this? Where to buy and where to sell? Today is the first day. Today is the first day. We have another 2 days. So tomorrow I'm going to teach you about the money management. How you can manage the money. Why people lose money and why people gets out of the market. They have a very poor knowledge about the money management and the psychology. But tomorrow, before starting say tomorrow's sessions, I want some commitment from your side. Whatever you have learned today, will you practice on this? Because see, friends, if you don't practice, you will not get benefits. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? So you have to share. You have to find the opportunities based on this. You have to find the opportunities and you have to share into the group, or you can share it to me directly. I'll give my number, so that's no problem. You can share the same on your group, because see, you have a YouTube, right? Number of videos are available. Number of things are in technicals, fundamentals, everything. And you all are watching on the videos. But have you benefited? Will you able to trade watching videos? No. The answer is not. Why? Because there are number of today in videos. Number of videos. Number of teachers are there. Number of mentors are there. Whom you will follow? If you want to become a successful in your trading life or in your life entire, you have to choose only one mentor. if you have multiple mentors, you will not able to understand their mind. If you choose one mentors, then you will learn each and everything about that person. You read their minds. Understand? That's why, see, there are a lot of confusions. Now the chat GPT also, if you give the one prompt, you ask one questions, it will give you 10 answer similar. You will become, the confused which to choose, right? If you create the, if you prompt the command like, I want to create one image, okay, on my day schedule, you just tell, it will automatically create, the your wake up time, your sleeping time, your reading time, it will give you the positive also, make your days very good, focus on this. You don't require, but still you will get printed all. So it's a problem. And because of that, where your mind will become stable, what things you are going to read, you will read a lot of things, but your mind will not keep, your subconscious mind, in a day, I'm telling you, this is the scientifically true, in an entire day, we think more than the thoughts coming, more than 70,000 thoughts come every day. More than 70,000 thoughts comes every day. Do you think that 70,000 thoughts you remember? No, we remember only hardly 2, 3, 4. But what about the others? So others are actually distractions. So everything is a distractions. So if you want to become a successful in your trading lives, you have to focus. You have to focus what we have discussed today. You have to work on that. You have to understand, and you have to act on that. Until and unless if you are not acting, you are not going to get the benefit. Right or wrong? How many people are enjoying this session? Reply me in the chat box. How many people are enjoying this session? Reply me in the chat box. Are you really enjoying these sessions? I wanted to tell you something. If you really understood this today's sessions, you give the test. Okay? You give the test. Scan this QR code and give the test. I will show you tomorrow, I will show you tomorrow how much marks you got, how much score is yours. You take the snapshot and later on when you become it will take only 5 minutes. So whatever we have discussed today, just tell me, just put the there are some questions answered, okay, and show me tomorrow. Okay, if you have any questions, queries, you can meet me tomorrow. We have a time. You can contact on this number or you can message me. We will discuss, we will discuss tomorrow what's your problems, what problems you are facing, whether you are making losses, whether you are making profits. Do you need any strategies? I can guide you personally tomorrow. And if you are really interested to meet me tomorrow, you have to confirm the time tomorrow before 6 a.m. Okay, tomorrow before 6 a.m. because after that there will be the schedules. So if you are interested, you can you can message me right away also on the same number. If you are in the Dubai, 971-058-241-9933, you can message and you can name, give the name and which time you wanted to meet. The timing should be between 10 Dubai time to 5 Dubai time, in between. Okay. It's not like the late nights we are not able to help you. Okay. Now, just wanted to understand today's sessions. How was the sessions? Please reply, in your group if you benefited these sessions. Reply in your group instead of replying here. So the maybe number of people will keep joining. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is very important day. Tomorrow is very important day. We are going to learn a money management. So how important are money management in the market, forex markets? Okay. So don't forget to join tomorrow, and you can invite your friends also. You can invite your friends also, right? So any questions, please ask me. I'm here for next 2-3 minutes. If you have any questions, queries, please ask me. If you have any questions, queries, please ask me. Do you have any questions, queries? All right. So thank you so much, all of you, and good night. See you tomorrow.